everyone, it's Dina and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a phone case vision board. Let's go. So the first thing I did was size my images on a document and make sure you make them small if you want a bunch of images. I had to remove some because of that. Then after that I printed out all these images and now let's move on to assembling the vision board. So the first picture I have is of a bullet journal, and if you guys saw in my last video I did show you a brief introduction on my bullet journal and how I plan. So this year I really want to keep track of my habits and actually stick to it. Next photo I have is 1,000 subscribers. You know, it'd be really nice if I could get 1,000 subscribers and get paid, but honestly that is my least concern at this point. I just really love making content right now, but that just seems like an attainable goal I can reach in a year if I really put my mind. Then my next two pictures pertain to travel. I want to go to Cyprus and see my cousin, and I also want to go to Lebanon and see my family. We were supposed to go last summer, but obviously due to the circumstances of this world, we weren't able to go. Next, I have the University of Michigan figure skating team. That's like the school I want to go to. I still haven't heard back from them, but if I do get in, I do want to be a part of their figure skating team. I just really want to continue skating in college, regardless if I get into U of M. And the next picture is of Neil Sunny. She's a YouTuber, but I really like her fashion, especially her pants. I think pants make an outfit 1 gajillion times better, so I really want to invest in a good pair of jeans. Next, I have some Arabic book, but I want to get more comfortable with speaking Arabic, whether if that means taking an Arabic class in college or just speaking more Arabic with my family. I think it'd be really nice if I could really build up the skills and use it in my career. Next picture I have is of Brady Tennell. She's a figure skater, and in this photo she's like really excited. So that's how I want to feel about skating, because I want to pass some skating tests this summer and throughout 2021. Now more fashion. I have some Emma Chamberlain pictures of her wearing pants. I just think her pants are really cool yet again, so I really aspire to reach that level in my fashion. Next, I have a picture of New York City. This was actually taken by me when I went once. Obviously that's pre-pandemic, and I really want to visit a city or live in a city if I decide to go to a college in the city area, but whether that means going back to New York or visiting another city, that's what I want to do this year. Next, I have a picture of a computer with a camera next to it. So this signifies me getting better with technology and editing, especially video editing. I currently use iMovie on my Mac, but I recently got Adobe Premiere Pro, so I want to learn how to use that so I can better my editing skills, because iMovie is kind of limited. Next, I have a girl doing splits. I really want to get my splits. I'm kind of almost there. I'm still not that flexible. I am going to stretch every day, and every time I work out, I'm going to stretch. And yet again, another Emma Chamberlain wearing cool pants. Love her. Now we're almost done. All you have to do is just place where you want the images to go, and then we're going to tape them on. Last step, put on your clear phone case. I got this from the Apple store, and that's the case. Now you can enter 2021 in style. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Make sure to subscribe and like this video if you liked it, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!